Alright, so we're just about to make a sort of a calzone thing. We're gonna make an attempt. We're gonna make an attempt here. First time ever trying this. So I just bought pre-made dough, but first time ever trying this. Just a pizza basically. Be fun. And I had a little sauce, pizza sauce left, so I was like, you know what? I can make it like a calzone or something. Type of deal here. Probably should put more sauce. Just use all of it. We'll see how it comes out. It's probably gonna overrun. It's kind of funny. Overrun. I think I almost put too much sauce, but it's the last amount of bit of sauce I got left anyway. I'll just do it like this, so it's like half and half of this dough. And we're gonna attempt to make like this mini calzone thing. Oh, and what else do I want? Oops, I'm bumping this. Alright, so put some. Shoot. We gonna put this. I'm gonna put a little garlic in here. I'll find it. Oh. I just had it in my hand. I'm gonna take some of these. So we're gonna take this too. We're gonna take some. I can get this without knocking stuff down. You can see the legs of that thing. Oh, you can. Oh well. Well, we're gonna put this fresh thyme in here. Just some fresh thyme. So that's just like fresh thyme from that I've been trying to get it to. That time I've been trying to like transplant some of this and get it to grow, and it's not cooperating. But I'm trying to see if I can get it to grow, so I don't have to go buy seeds or the plant. Kind of took some from some organic ones that were grown and that was in the floor that I got. And I was like, let me see if I can get it to, because it looked pretty good. Like it wasn't like dead, just the roots. So I was like, maybe it'll grow. So I planted part of it. I think that'll be alright. Look at this crazy cockamamie, crazy life I've had. This crazy stuff is happening. Alright, and we're gonna put a little oregano, just dried oregano in there. A little cayenne, because I want it to have a little kick. cayenne to it. Parsley. If you like parsley, parsley. Not very much is coming out of here. It's only like one little hole. Yeah. I don't really need to put this, but I'm gonna put it in there. A dash of paprika. I did my parsley and I did my oregano. Oh, the spoon's too big. I need a different spoon. I need a scooper. Where's a scooper? This'll work. Just a little bit of garlic. Cause I'll move some of it around so it's not only one big old clump. Cool. Dash of garlic in there. I don't know how this is gonna come out. If it's gonna burst when I cook it, or what? Probably gonna. Hopefully, it's gonna taste good. You can't go wrong with pizza. You know, pizza type things, right? We got our vegetables. Yeah, this thing's gonna be having all kind of stuff going on in it. Good onion, olives in there. This is really shallots actually. A little bit of sweet peppers in there. Green pepper. Get more olives in here. I'm actually using green olives, which is I usually rather use another kind of olives. I think it'll taste good. I was like, I want a lot of stuff. Because I almost out of meat. I don't eat tons of pork, but I got some salami because I like salami on the pizzas. On the pizza. And I wanted to go fishing, but it's raining, y'all. I should have went yesterday, but it started raining then too. I would have been out there and I would have got rained out, bro. Trying to, if you're trying to shoot a live stream or anything. So today I'm doing this instead. Lunchtime. And we're gonna do mushrooms too. Yeah, so this got all kind of stuff going on. I think I pulled out too many mushrooms to put some of them back. That's okay though. Who don't like? Well, some people don't like mushrooms, but if you like mushrooms, we got our mushrooms. And then we want to meat. I don't know. Might be a lot. And I think I'm gonna cut this up into squares. We got some salami. I think I'm just gonna cut it to like slivers. Conserve. What's not the salami? Cut it in slivers instead. Yeah, this world can be crazy, and things are not always as they appear. Telephone. I wonder if it's the cable guy. Telephone. I hear stirring. I hear people stirring in the home to other folks. That's how it is. Living the life. Sort of. And then, last but not least, we put our cheese. Probably should have put the cheese in between. But I think we're gonna use this is like a 4-blend cheese. So that's gonna be a huge calzone, pretty much. It's like a pizza calzone, basically. Sure we got enough cheese on it, right? There's quite a bit of sauce underneath there. So like, probably need quite a bit of cheese on this. Actually try to make it work. And it's definitely gonna try to burst when we cook it, so we're gonna have to do it. And I'm using the thin crust one, so I don't know how it's gonna come out at all. But it looks like it'll be good. It looks like it'll be delicious. Delicious. I'm gonna put these back in the refrigerator. Oh. So crazy. I bet there's so many things. I guess you live in your environment, but sometimes some people, man, I don't know, I was thinking about something else that happened in this YouTube streets. Sometimes you just can't do nothing about it. Like, when stuff goes down like that, you're like, whatever, we do that, and how it goes. People going, you gonna rub people the wrong way, and it's gonna feel all some kind of pain. Sometimes they're gonna feel how they feel about it when they don't know all the pieces. When they don't know all the pieces to the situation. So that's just kind of how that is. And, people are involved in cultic groups, and they don't call it cults, they call them clubs and stuff, and they give other names for these things. These people think they're all secret, and they're so secret. Nobody knows that they do some of these evil things to some people, and you ain't even taking no oaths or nothing. They're ready to do you in, make you ruin your life, offer your girlfriend things to cheat on you, all kinds of weird stuff. Or he ain't gonna do this for you, so look at what I have. I've had that happen too because of these people in these cults and Easterns and whatnot. These Eastern types, and some of these gals ain't even in it. They just were told somebody else something else. To be honest, they kind of like jumped into that kind of stuff. It's really crazy, actually. They never even been into one of them. The little Italian seasoning on the top. They ain't even been into one of those places, one of those buildings. But someone approached them, and next thing you know, they're involved in that stuff, and they just take. Some people they don't mind taking orders from people that they don't even know why they're doing stuff. They just, I'm part of this, so I'm gonna do this. Some of these kids, man, they grow up in these households with this stuff going on. And the kids don't know, and some of these kids get taught about it, and And a lot of weird stuff happens, I'll tell you that. That's all I'm gonna say. So we're just gonna do like a wrap like this. Light just flickered. Uh-oh. They coming for me. Hey y'all. They coming for me. No. I kinda put this here so I could do like this. So it's just like gonna be a big old pizza basically. It's a calzone. Not the best looking thing. But hey, it's my first attempt. I'm trying to make something like this, so I'm just, putting it together. Try to keep that spot from breaking. Yeah, it's a tough, man. You need to learn these certain things. But that's it. We're gonna put it in the oven. We're gonna see what it look like when it's done. Peace, y'all.